Hi everyone, today's class is about basic rapid commands. The contents include enabler commands, common commands of industrial robots, examples of movement commands, I/O control commands, conditions and logic commands, and other commands. The structure of rapid. ABB industrial robots offer various program commands to operate industrial robots in welding, pelletizing, and transportation, and other sectors. Next, we'll start to learn rapid programming from common commands and see how to check and select the basic commands of the programs. Step 1. Open the menu and click Program Editor. Step 2. Select the program location where you want to insert, and the selected will be highlighted in blue. Click on Add Command and then click Common. Select the corresponding list of commands and you can select the corresponding basic commands. Next, let's talk about the enabler commands. The enabler command is used to assign values to program data during programming. The assignment object of the mark equals sign is a constant or a mathematical quotation. Constant reg1 equals 17. Mathematical quotation reg2 equals reg1 plus 8. But how find these commands in the demonstrator? Next, we will introduce how to add constant enabler commands and mathematical quotation commands. Steps for adding constant enabler commands are as follows. Step 1. Select equal in the commands. Step 2. Click Change the data and choose num. Step 3. Find and click num. Click Yes to save the option. Step 4. Select the data you want to enable. We will select reg1 as an example. Step 5. Select EXP. The selected data is highlighted in blue and open Edit to select the given data. Step 6. Input 17 via virtual keyboard and click Yes. Step 7. Click Yes again. Then, in Program Editor, you can see the added command. This is the operation of the constant copy instruction. Steps for setting mathematical quotation enable commands. Step 1. Click equal in the commands. Step 2. Select the data you want to enable. We will select reg2 as the example. Step 3. Select EXP. The selected data is highlighted in blue. Step 4. Select reg1. Step 5. Click plus. Step 6. Select EXP. It is highlighted in blue and open Edit to select the given data. And enter the number 8 via the virtual keyboard and click Yes. Step 7. Make sure all the data are right and click Yes. Step 8. Click the button below to finish the setting. Step 9. Click Add Command to fold the list. It should be noted that in the process of editing the interface, you can zoom in or zoom out via plus or minus, page up or down, move left or right, up or down. This is the instruction of the constant command and mathematical quotation command. Next is the common commands of industrial robots. The common movement command for industrial robots. It mainly includes move J, move L, move C, and move ABSJ in a total of 4 types. Next, let's look at the use of each instruction. Move ABSJ. The robot uses the angles of 6 axes and the outer axis to determine the target position data. Steps to add move J command are as follows. Step 1. Enter manual operation and confirm the tool data coordinates and WOBJ data coordinates. Step 2. Select where you want to add the data in Program Editor. Step 3. Click Add Command and select Move ABSJ. Step 4. Select and click asterisk. Step 5. Name the object and click Yes. Step 6. Click Testing and select Check the data. Step 7. Select the data of each axis of industrial robots according to actual needs. Step 8. Debug and run the program. The diagram shows that each axis of the industrial robot runs according to setting. The format of the MoveABSJ are as follows. Here we take it as an example to learn about the meaning of moving commands. JPOS10 represents the point's name and data position. V1000 represents the moving speed is 1000 mm per second. Z50 represents the turning zone and the data, the radius size of the turn to be 50 mm. Tool 1 represents the tool data defines the tool used right now. WOBJ data represents the definition of the WOBJ data used right now. Commands for articulation. It is to move the tool center point TCP of the industrial robot from one position to another position in the case of low requirement for path accuracy. The path between the two positions may not be a straight line. Its formats are shown as follows. Here, we take this as example to know about the meaning of the parameters. P10 indicates target point position data. V1000 indicates the motion speed data is 1000 mm per second. Z50 indicates turn zone data and the radius size of the turning curve is 50 mm. Tool 1 indicates that tool data coordinates defines the specified tool used right now. WOBJ1 indicates that WOBJ data coordinates defines the workpiece coordinates specifically used right now. The joint motion is suitable for the use of the robot in the wide range of motion. It is not easy to have the problem that the joint shaft enters the mechanical dead points during the movement. The target point position data defines the moving target of the robot TCP point. In the demonstrator, you can click Modify Position to modify moving speed data, defined speed, turning area data, the size of the defined turning area. Tool data defines the tool used at the current command. WOBJ data defines the coordinate system of the workpiece. Okay, this is the end of the class. Thanks for watching.